Hi, I'm Rebecca Epley, and I'm a librarian with the Oakland Public Library's Diamond Branch. I wanted to let you know about some resources that are available to you while our buildings are closed. And one of those is the electronic version of the New York Times. So this is available to you through our website. So you would first go to www.oaklandlibrary.org, and you'll come to this page. And then you click on Online Services. And then you'll scroll down, click on Online Databases, scroll down one more time, and then you're going to choose Newspaper Articles and Indexing here. Click Apply. And then you'll scroll down one more time until you come to the New York Times. And here we are. So you're first going to need to set up an account. So you click here, click on Login, and then you're going to scroll down here where it says don't have a Times account, create one. Click on that. You're going to enter your email address, you're going to create a password, and then click on create account, and you're all set with that. The next thing you're going to need is an access code. So you click here, you click on redeem, that'll give you your access code. That code is good for 72 hours. When it expires, you can do this once again and get another access code for an additional 72 hours. So you would do that here on this screen. And then you're all ready to read. So you come back, you just click here, and there is the New York Times. So until our buildings are open, I hope to see you at one of our sidewalk pickup sites, and take good care.